Hello people, welcome back to this random thing that is my channel. Today, as you can tell from the title, and if you haven't seen already on my Snapchat and Instagram stories, we're going to be reviewing some Harry Potter makeup. Now, Boots have just released these, I think on the 1st or the 2nd of November, and I picked them up the other day before I went to work, and I got the green and the blue because I thought they would make a really cool combo. I'm going to do one eye about Slytherin and one eye about Ravenclaw. So, let's have a look. Yes, I have a wand. It's Harry's wand. First thing I'm going to look at is the bag that you get, and it's gorgeous. It's green. I've already started putting in some of my other magical things in it, like some of my other brushes and stuff like that. And after that is the brushes that come with it. These are absolutely stunning. These cost £20 and that bag cost a tenner. Let's get them out of the box. I haven't taken them out of the box because I wanted to open it on camera. Yes, I have a new light. It is my other phone. It sat on top of my phone just to get some light because my videos have been pretty dull and it's late at night, so the video is going to be pretty dull. Why can't I open boxes? These out of here. Can I... Ooh. These are beautiful. Let's see if we can pop them out. Ooh, sugar. Ooh, they're very light. Very soft. Feels really nice on my skin. See? Beautiful. Unlike my other ones, these are very light. My other ones are quite heavy and metally. There's that one. There's also like a fan brush, some eyeshadow ones, and a detailing brush. They are lovely. I can't wait to use them in a minute. And here is the Ravenclaw palette. This costs £12.50, like it says here. Let's open it up. Ooh. See, I like these colours. This deep blue and light blue here are my favourite out of these two, so open them up for that Instagram and Snapchat, and if you haven't seen it yet, I will link my Snapchat and Instagram stories down below. Yeah, these are really pretty. Both palettes have two of the same colours, which I believe is this pinky colour and this greyish kind of colour. Yeah, they're lovely. And let's open up the green. Ooh, hallelujah. Yeah, see the pink here, the grey there, two ones from there. But these two greens are really lovely. And so is this colour. The black, standard black, but it's really nice. Can't wait to start using these. So my idea for today was create one Slytherin eye, one Ravenclaw eye, with the brushes here, and a bunch of other products that I've got in front of me, like my Nyx eyeliners, some mascara, maybe a little bit of glitter, and for the first time in a long time, false lashes. So that's going to be entertaining. Let's get started. As always, I've tied my hair back so I don't get any product like lipstick or whatever in my hair. So I'm going to start with the Slytherin eye, which is going to be on this eye. So I'll take the sellotape and plastic off of the palettes themselves. They actually smell really nice. Like, I don't know why I smell the colours. I'm a weirdo. That's probably why you subscribe to me. Or you're just a friend I've told to subscribe to me. Yes, let's pop out some of these brushes. I've also written out a plan for what I would like to do for my eyes. For once, I've actually thought out a video and not just thought, screw it, I'm going to do a video today. I'm going to just wing it and just chat crap throughout the entire thing. I've actually thought it through, which is strange. I think this is my favourite brush. Just because of the handle itself, the main reason. So pretty, oh my god, these are so gorgeous. I really don't want to use them, but I'm going to need to. I'm going to use this for highlight. Yes. I think there should be a Harry Potter highlight. That would be pretty cool. Okay, so my idea was, for both eyes, the darker green on the outer, and for the blue outer and inner corners of my eye, then the middle, the lighter green, and the lighter blue. Then the middle of both, pure silver from a separate palette. So I don't think the colour on here will work for what I would like to do. And then stick on some holographic glitter just to make it pop. And for the under eyes, the darker colours. And then maybe just some dark liner or some white liner. Probably going to go for the dark liner, knowing me. Not sure. But you'll see what I do further in. So I'm taking this brush, whatever the hell this brush is, and I'm going into this green. Oh, it's very pigmented. Not that much of a brush stroke was needed for that. Wait, which eye? Oh, this eye. Okay. Yep, I like that. That's what I wanted to do. Yes. I might choose a different green for my lower line to see if that works. I'm going to go in with this brush next and go in with this green on some of that middle. This is very shimmery as well. Very pretty colour. Todd, you're ruining my shot! See this lighting? It looks like a shimmery yellow the way I'm looking at it, but it's a green. So that's confoodled. I like that. That is really nice. Colours set very, very well. I'm now going to go in with this palette. I'm using the silver colour called Fairy Tale. That is there. I'm going to put that down the middle. But first I'm going to be going in with my NYX Eyeshadow Primer. Just swiping that down the middle so the colours have popped a little bit better. Going with my cute little brush. Yeah, it's been cleaned since the last video. I didn't clean it in the last one. Go a little bit under my eye. No problemo. In a separate brush. I'm going to use my other wand brushes. That's a lipstick, that's not a brush. I'm going to go in with this brush. I got this from Primark. It was in their wizarding section. So I thought it goes well with the theme of today. Just going to take this colour, and this palette has a mirror on it already, so I'm just going to use this. Going back in with this one, with the lighter green, just to put some of this colour back that I removed, adding the silver. Blending it a touch. Yeah, that looks nice. Just fix this bottom bit. And go back in with this silver. Fantastic. I think that is a very nice eye. Now it's time to move on to the Ravenclaw one. Probably should have taken the tape off both before filming, but this just shows I haven't used it yet. Oh, this is going to be nice. Okay, so I'm just going to put that down, get a tissue, and wipe the colour off. Then we'll start. Okay, so we're going back in with this brush that we used before, it's just been cleaned. And we're going to go in with the dark blue in the corners. Oh, that's a very nice blue. Very nice, very nice. Same as before. Ooh, that's better than the green a little bit, I think. Going back in with this one again, and we're going to be using this nice bright light blue. Ooh. Yes. Yes, mummy, yes. I'm just saying yes to everything. Oh my god, that light blue is now my favourite colour ever. Already. That blue is so stunning. Oh my god. I am having the best time of my life. Put that down. Going back in with this for the silver, Fairy Tale. Just put that down the centre. I think the holographic glitter is going to look a lot better with the blue eye. You know what I keep forgetting to do? I put my eyeshadow primer on. Aren't I a silly goose? Yeah, it's good. Just go here. Just fix that. And now go back in with silver. More blending, blending, blending. Use my blue one again, fix it all up. See, the green eye is a little bit higher than the other, so I'm just going to fix the rounding of this one. Yeah, I do. I like this a lot. So what I'm going to do now is take a wipe and just shape it off how I'd like it. Yes. This is what I have done so far. Next is the eyeliner, which is my favourite thing to do. I'm actually going to go in with my Epic Ink eyeliner. It's literally my go-to eyeliner for absolutely every occasion. When I'm going to work, if I'm just nipping in the shop, whatever. So I'm going to start on the blue eye. Yeah, I like that. I might correct it a little bit, but that's okay, that's okay. Okay, this one, wing-wise, is a little bit better than this one, but that's okay, easy fixed. do that. Put the lid on my eyeliner. And just take my wipe and straighten it off like I did before. There we go. It's the eyeliner done. I'm now going to go in with this one again once I've taken off the silver and just do the underline colours. So obviously I was going to do a deep blue, but I'm thinking maybe this lighter blue now because the colour just came out really nice and I am just obsessed. So let's do that. Oh, I poked myself in the eye. Aren't I clever? That's nice, I like that. Might put a little bit of like faded black in that corner from the Slytherin palette. Let's just go back in and we're going to use the shimmery green. So I think that'll pop a little bit better. Actually, deep green. Deep green, I like the deep green. Yeah, deep green was a better shout. Yep. I'm now going to just clean that off. And go in with the black and just put that where the eyeliner started. Just there. Only a tiny, tiny bit. Hurting my eyes. Yeah, the undercolour I think looks quite nice. So, shall we get started with the glitter? Okay, I'm wearing my platform 9 3/4 shirt. I thought it was appropriate. So I'm taking the NYX Glitter Primer, and obviously the packaging is holographic. Christine, the science queen, holo queen, everything she is, she would be happy that I'm using holo. Come on, get out of the packet. Thank you. So I'm going to take this brush, which is what I used for glitter last time, and just squeeze out some of this and just place it. That, and I will need a separate brush, I think. No, I'll be fine, I'll be fine. No, I won't. I'm taking this brush, which I normally use for black eyeshadow, and taking the holographic. Oh, there's glitter everywhere. I forgot how hard it is to keep glitter from going everywhere with this. So there's glitter in here, and glitter in this lid, so what I'm going to do is just take what's in the lid for now, so I don't get it everywhere. And tap a little on my lid. Yes. Yes. I think that's quite nice. Not putting too much on, just tapping it in the section there. Maybe put a touch like that around my eye. Yeah. Little glitter section. Get some more glitter and do it for the same on the next eye. Very nice. I like these a lot. I've said this so many times, but it's true. I like these a lot. I'm already giving them a 10 out of 10. I'm not even finished my review yet. Okay, so the next thing I am going to do off camera is my false lashes, because for the life of me, I cannot do it. So, okay, I have done one lash, and I don't even think it's on properly. I have spent about half an hour trying to do this, and I'm not doing fake lashes, I've decided. I managed to do it yesterday to see if these would look alright on me for today's video, but I can't get them on, and they're stressing me out, and my eyes are burning, so I think I got glue in my eye. So I'm just going to fix up my eyeliner and then do my lipstick, because some of my eyeliner came off. Trying to do that. I'm just going to put a lot of mascara on. Oh, get in the thing. Taking my NYX eye thing, mascara stuff. Very rarely wear mascara, but I thought for the look I would wear it. I put up a poll on my Instagram story saying, should I wear these or should I not? 75% of you said yes. 25 of you, which was one person. No, two people I think. One of them was the Love Doctor. How dare you, my friend. You're supposed to support me in all my endeavours, even if it involves fake things, like fake eyelashes. Good about having words later. Yep, that'll do for the eyes. And because of the look, I was going to wear blue for this eye and green for this eye, like half and half. I thought that'd be a bit silly, so I picked a colour that would suit both, which is this black lipstick. Excuse me. Stay there. Okay, stay. So I'm taking this black liquid lipstick, doing it slowly so the camera doesn't have a heart attack. And I'm going to use that for my lippy lips. So here is the full look. Just going to take my hair down, see how this looks with my hair down. So this is the completed Slither into Ravenclaw eye look. Altogether, I give both palettes 9.5 out of 10. The blues are definitely my favourite. This one gets a full 10, this one gets a 9. 9.5. Because I think the colours in this one, like the two blues here, a little bit more vibrant. Like the darker blue is a little bit more vibrant than the darker green in my opinion. And this one gets a 9.5 was because the darker green, it's a lovely green, don't get me wrong, just to me doesn't seem that pigmented, but when you go to the lighter green there, that's very pigmented. It sets so nicely, it mixed with the silver really well, and it just worked. And the Holo Glitter works really well too. I forgot I was filming. But that is it for this unboxing, review, and makeup look video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to leave a like, leave a comment, and click that subscribe button for more, and I shall see you lovely muggles next time. Whoosh.